Esan emama kwa ba de Badom TV bedrem so ena woni gu a wo hwe no brewe du se me de agokense mo nsem brem din etinyame pa Bernard Party botwe na wo twe wie ye Europa Champions League na bibia wo bia no Waterma Community 9 Community 5 2025 bibia wo Waterma bia no Charity Havana Community 9 yes the exciting games ever bremo apart from say game never ever told you at 7 p.m. no nyama bebra Asempa FM Adom FM any Adom TV ye de bremo no presenters ni nyina eba ntino from anopa 8 na kwapem enwumre do die ebebo non do die 10 p.m. na bibia be kwaso nti bibia wo tema bia no Charity Havana tema Community 9 na emfa bibia embremo omo any nkofo ne say bibia be kwaso mpinfo no dodo na beba ho what you say footballers ex-footballers ni bibeba o ye Manchester United fan, Chelsea fan, Kotoko has Manchester United, ye Barcelona, Dortmund, Real Madrid, Paris Saint-Germain, Man City, Arsenal, Liverpool for obi abeba ho men trefie share oti Havana na fa Champions League finals no embrem na dwumedi ebetutu dwa no enye fedi agro yan hyase emfefi wafo zombie under 17 tournament o Ghana and GCS race why you still Lagos Sports Stadium na na gukense nyina eba na wie na Burkina Faso omo eno chi Côte d'Ivoire esibiro meka miensan wotimi ba konti Côte d'Ivoire and champions of this year's wamo na semi finals no mo chi yen ebrimi yen nti no omo deserve so mbeje wafo zombie na si won stress o mayade enye easy so beba Ghana no bebo yen no wasa beje trophy ehu pa na 17 ye ko bi so ache na ka we die e na resource anka we die 7 years yen ko afcon Côte d'Ivoire force ne host yanka be ko bi na mo fofie antwata yentimi an qualify yenda yen ye fan third and fourth place no so no yeso third and fourth place no so Ghana yentimi ambo yen homodion ama ye tran ho ama ye lusu to 3 goals to 2 Nigeria eche yen ya go pramaso etwa ye kamiensa yetimu mienu na area wo kakra na mo be ne den de besi ya eno ena esi no insem fufuro mu no eda so ewo wofo zombie no na enche ena former coach Edema na 17 the Black Starlet like Kinson edin sem bebre to proud to yelusu Edema Burkina Faso no or the insem bebre ebe to say ya they adu dey ye but they are su yani pitrim wa bre ntino or resign as the head coach of the Black Starlet now in some way ama nema bebre ekoso na no ya da sorry no now the press release at the back so pa we biara cho or pa Ghana for cho or pa GFA for cho say we die ono a ene kan no so no osere yen fa ye bone enche no some kan so say I apologize for unreservedly for failure to the to pay back the trust love and support we have graciously received from Ghanaians. We worked very hard for Ghanaians. We we worked very hard for Ghanaians for several weeks for the chance to reach the finals of the Wafu tournament to compete for the ultimate prize, but it was not to be. Opache say na omo bom homo dimbia sanko o Ghana ya GCS series we die anke betimi age tournament na CS so considering any other issue about my personal conduct. With suggestions that I have abandoned the theme following last Sunday's semi-finals defeat to Burkina Faso. I stated unmistakably that my announcement during the post-match press conference was without ambiguity that my role as head coach with the team ends after the tournament. Now say your bog against the year you didn't know and oba bonti say we jai on you money bi ne mo na nji say anka ne kwan so no enye ne kwan so no ne mo na wo sanka ofi sati bi na say anka o professional kakra o we no sato say after carefully consideration I could have handled things better and this will be guiding experience for me going forward. I will love my nation. I love my nation. I served my nation as a player, and I have been serving my nation as a coach. Yes, also no time no bobo e mo Ghana no. Obon homodin bia into no guso e bon homodin so obeboy na o Ghana so bibia kwaso na some otamo ye player no bon homodin obe coach so no oguso e bon homodin am I say I will not conduct myself in any way that undermines the respect and support Ghanaians has given me and this theme. To the president and the ESCO, I will also want to unreservedly sincerely apologize for any misunderstanding, inconvenience, and embarrassment my decision to announce my resignation last Sunday caused. We opache say opagine for ESCO members and on my Ghana be actual say timpo see sadano na enye opache say omo yefa enche pa na bibia ankoso enye ono na on say football ni de bibia etimi ekoso ntino say bibi esi na say ense enfata osre say yefa nche no na we a former coach of the Black Starlets of Ghana. Like it's like 7. Now, Obeka, no, so Tamana boys no ebo bono. Almo share go be a normal page on my tadie. No, say we love you, like 7. There's a players no afini ye pa nemu obia enim this year. Your boy homodin and I say yeah, shim say dentia bra lai ankasa ejai and 17 to we be enim nenso ebre and in Crabia and better GFA no so where they need by a purchase no munim de ekoso intino se ba sa yes so yefa enchom ntin way and bra like Kinson former coach for the Black Starlets of Ghana and 17 a default intimi enwini host and bronze no ambassador esan default and then yefa change from no president of Ghana Football Association Mr. Kurt Okraku edin sem biblia tudwa odin sem etudwa e marketing managers and media officers training course so e wa Accra no patch say won here say Premier League clubs women football division 1 and after so football class do one also more equipium ho also co training more say bia obehu games no na say the ethics and course of the game na say bia akoswa.
It is not Kurt that doesn't like somebody. It is not the licensing manager who doesn't like somebody. It is not the licensing committee or board that doesn't like somebody. Neither it is not the appeals committee that hates somebody. It is what all of us have signed up to, right from CAF level to our level, to ensure that we deliver football in the best possible manner. I say all the time that our friends, our classmates, are the officers responsible for delivering football or the footballing products that we see on TV. The La Ligas, the Bundesligas, the Serie A's, the Swiss leagues, the Belgium leagues, etc., etc. Our classmates. And they are able to do that only because they judiciously follow what we have been talking about. And when they deliver football, we enjoy watching what they deliver to us. So why can we not do it? We can. And when we deliver football the way it has to be delivered, other people will also switch on their TV screens and watch what we deliver. Your FA will continue to make the right investments, such as this gathering, for us to exchange continuously, for us to learn, and for us to impact on our football. It's imperative for all of us to work towards improving the standards in our Premier League, in our Division 1 League most importantly, and in our Women's Premier League. And I believe you can do it. And I believe we can do it. Together, let's work, let's deliver our football in its best possible manner so that the direct consumers of our game, our fans, our sponsors, our partners, prospective investors will be happy at what we offer. Prospective.
Kurt Okraku, a GFA president, Ninka, and Amotiano. I can't be say the UEFA Champions League finals. Yes. What you hear? Is it going to be Hala Madrid or the Yellows? Metre Real Madrid and a Dortmund, Borussia Dortmund. Na nkofobi person mo bo against Etia Real Madrid. Metre nkofobi no. Someone na atamfo so enyanyame edrobia beka dem. Na sada ne de bibia wo bia wo tema. Say from committee 1 to 25. CLT 9. Tema committee 9. T Havana. Na then games now we yɛbɛbɔ 5 aside ɛno no so ɔyɛ Manchester United fan ɔyɛ Chelsea fan ɔyɛ Kotoko ɔyɛ Hearts ɔyɛ Liverpool ɔyɛ Arsenal ɔyɛ Chelsea bra T Havana Park a restaurant na games no be do na be koso on say games no e be dwumedi na nkasa be hyase 8 am nti no e bo no wo twe anopapepepe na dwumedi na hyase presenters do na aba wan na person hu no obi bia aba intimate na fie bra na ne embetu embom e Asempa FM fan games UCL na dwumedi na be de wan ba wa ye hu afi Real Madrid Oma yes Omaji Champions League in the oye ten Omaji atamfo bia so enye nyame sanso na ho akra ha o ewa ko baby o ben New Town so o East Legon so o airport then we need editor social aviation social center or any area you just hit FM for almost some de no nti so o akra ha na say enhu hia so be sa faka na waba tema fo no so ehia yen omododo mu nti so akra ha Nyabotere, hit FM rep your Jesse. The answer was foul Jesse, no washe. So we are Dortmund fan, so we are Real Madrid fan, so we are Barcelona, and so we are against any problem. So just any bra. Na ode fa beta Dortmund for neti nemo ye wie na se wentimi ankofia enyo bi ene commentary. What I say? Ndu de fa Jesse any bra, rep your Jesse hit FM for de no. Na fa beta otimechi nemo e den a pehin, e di pehin so ni pehin be ko nemo. With him and a better T Havana Community 9 Champions League finals eba sasuna social aviation social center e hon so mun share e wo ho na bibia enkoso Champions League ni dia feed when share ya na wa yen ha na be ma me ho kwan na me de akokensem na nsem ni sim din e de nyame ba Bernard Padbotu het it etwaso